Researchers at the University of Surrey have developed an AI system that can locate a device in dense urban areas without GPS. Called PEnG, Pose-Enhanced Geo-Localization, the technology narrows localization errors from over 700 meters to just 22 meters. This could revolutionize navigation for self-driving cars, delivery drones, and robots operating in cities, tunnels, or regions with poor GPS coverage. Instead of relying on satellite signals, PEnG combines satellite imagery with street-level views, then uses pose estimation to figure out a camera's exact position and orientation. Amazingly, it works even with a standard single-lens camera found in most vehicles. By turning ordinary cameras into high-precision navigation tools, PEnG offers a reliable alternative for environments where GPS fails. The research team has also made the system open source, paving the way for smarter, more resilient autonomous technologies. The future of navigation may not depend on satellites, it could rely on AI vision.